Hello students, now we will learn about phytohormones, gibberlins. Gibberlins are considered as derivatives of terpenes. These gibberlins are of many types. Nearly there are more than 100 types of gibberlins and they are indicated as capital alphabets G and E. So we write there are more than 100 types of gibberlins. They are indicated as capital alphabets GA1, GA2, GA3. Out of this, GA3 is considered as the first discovered gibberlin. These are first observed in Japan country by the farmers who are growing rice fields. Basically, a plant will be growing up to 3 to 4 feet of height. But the plants which are infected by or which are prone to gibberellic acid, which is one of the content of gibberlins, those particular plants were grown up to 25 feet. So, farmers of that rice field, they call that particular disease as Bacana disease and behavior of the plant as foolishness. First observed by farmers in Japan. Basically, rice plant so farmers called as foolishness and considered that as a disease and gave a term like that disease as Bacana disease. Bacana itself means foolishness or foolish seedlings. Gibberlins are widely present in fungi and higher plants. They are present in fungi and higher plants. Next, coming to functions of gibberlins. Gibberlins, they promote stem elongation by increasing the length of internode. We know that if this is a stem, there are some areas on the stem which are called as nodes. And the place between two nodes is called internode. So, gibberlins are increasing this internode length. So, we write first function as they increase stem elongation. They cause stem elongation in such a way as they are increasing stem elongation, they also caused increase in the stalk length in grains. Also causes This is important point. Next, Gibberlins also promotes malting process. Malting means a little bit fermentation like process, but it's not exactly that. So Gibberlins promotes malting process. It delays the senescence. Senescence is the time period just before death. We can say it as aging in case of animals. But here we are discussing about plants. You will write it delays senescence. Means it delays aging. Senescence means aging. Next, it increases seed maturity time period. Increases seed maturity. In case of cabbage, it increases the internode length. Such condition is called as bolting. In cabbage, the internode length is increased. In case of cabbage, particularly, this increasing is given a term like bolting. You know that cabbage, basically, it will be like this, round. It means that the internode length is very condensed, but the cabbage which is prone to gibberellic acid will shows one leaf arising from one node, other leaf from other node, other leaf from other node like this. So we can say this area as internode in case of cabbage particularly. And not only in cabbage, this bolting process is also seen in rosette plants also. So we will write in cabbage and also in beets and in rosette plants. We are giving a term like such type of structured cabbage as lettuce. We can see in case of lettuce. So we can say lettuce is also belonging to cabbage family, that is Solanaceae family. Here basically we see grapes in a stalk like this, as very thick bunch of grapes. But when gibberlins are added, the stalk of each and every flower will be increased. Clearly we can see the increased length of the stalks. So that the fruits will also not get damaged very soon when they have reached the market. Gibberlins are considered to increase acidic condition or H plus ion concentration in sugarcane. Next, gibberlins are also considered to be used in brewing industry. Gibberlins, they also promotes seed germination time period and causes seed germination. Gibberlins, when sprayed on juvenile means young conifers. Juvenile means young. Then conifers reach maturity period very soon. We will write one more point regarding functions of gibberlins. Gibberlins also causes elongation in apples. Normally, some of the apples which we buy in the market will be like this. But when gibberellic acids is added, then some apples are available in this elongated shape. So, we can give one point. Gibberlins or gibberellic acid is causing elongation in the apple, so that farmers yield regarding that apple field, it increases 20 tons per acre. Gibberellic acid, so we can write gibberlins, also termed as gibberellic acid. Their chemical nature is acidic in nature, causes elongation in apples. So, yield increases 20 tons per acre. So, these are the points, some of important points related to gibberlins or gibberellic acid.